Hello friends, I know all of you are familiar with sowing. Sowing or seeding is an art of placing seeds in the soil to have good germination in the field. A perfect seeding gives correct amount of seed per unit area, correct depth at which seed is placed in the soil, and correct spacing between row to row and plant to plant. So today, in this video, we are going to discuss various methods of sowing. There are different methods of sowing such as broadcasting, dibbling, drilling, seed dropping behind the plow, transplanting, hill dropping and check row planting. So we are going to discuss them one by one. The first one is broadcasting. Broadcasting is the process of random scattering of seed on the surface of seed beds. It can be done manually or mechanically both. When broadcasting is done manually, uniformity of seed depends upon skill of the man. Soon after broadcasting, the seeds are covered by planking or some other devices. Usually, higher seed rate is obtained in this system. Mechanical broadcasters are used for large-scale work. This machine scatters the seed on the surface of the seed bed at controlled rate. Second is dibbling. Dibbling is the process of placing seeds in holes made in seed bed and covering them. In this method, seeds are placed in holes made at definite depth at fixed spacing. The equipment used for dibbling is called dibbler. It is a conical instrument used to make proper holes in the field. Small hand dibblers are made with several conical projections made in a frame. This is very time-consuming process, so it is not suitable for small seeds. Mostly vegetables are sown in this way. Third is drilling. Drilling consists of dropping the seeds in furrow lines in a continuous flow and covering them with soil. Seed metering may be done either manually or mechanically. The number of rows planted may be one or more. This method is very helpful in achieving proper depth, proper spacing and proper amount of seed to be sown in the field. Drilling can be done by sowing behind the plow, second bullock drawn seed drills and third tractor drawn seed drills. The next is seed drop behind the plow. It is very common method used in villages. It is used for seed like maize, gram, peas, wheat and barley. A man drops seeds in the furrow behind the plow. Sowing behind the plow can be done by a device known as malobanza. It consists of a bamboo tube provided with a funnel-shaped mouth. One man drops the seed through the funnel and other man handles the plow and the bullocks. This is a very slow and laborious method. Fifth is transplanting. Transplanting consists of preparing seedlings in nursery and then planting these seedlings in the prepared field. It is commonly done for vegetable and flowers. It is very time-consuming operation. Equipment for placing plants in the soil is called transplanter. The sixth is hill dropping. In this method, seeds are dropped at fixed spacing and not in a continuous stream. Thus, the spacing between plant to plant in a row is constant. In case of drills, the seeds are dropped in continuous streams and the spacing between plant to plant in a row is not constant. The seventh one is check row planting. It is a method of planting in which row to row and plant to plant distance is uniform. In this method, seeds are planted precisely along straight parallel furrows. The rows are always in two perpendicular directions. A machine used for check row planting is called check row planter. So these were the sowing methods. I hope you liked the video, and for more video like this, like and subscribe everybody. Thank you.